back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be taking our first look at Luminar Neo, and in the first look at this software we are going to be retouching a beauty image, and it's going to take no time whatsoever because this is really powerful software, and once you've seen how quick this is I think you're going to want to get it yourself. So stay tuned because there will be a discount code later in the video, and I'll link that in the description below also. So let's jump in. I have imported my image into Luminar Neo, and we are going to jump right across to the edit tab, and straight away we're going to scroll down to face, click on there. So we have a lot of options when it comes to beauty retouching in Luminar Neo. We can brighten up the face, which I'm going to do a little bit. We can slim the face. I'm not going to do any of that. Don't need it with this model. We are going to brighten the eyes, sorry, a little bit, very slightly. There we go. Then coming back out, we then need to go to skin, and we can then use this adjustment slider, which will clean up the skin like really, really well. I'm really impressed with how easy it does this. And then we can check this box for skin defects removal. It removes some of them. If we do this before and after, we can see some of those that have been removed. And then if we need to go in and remove some of these other ones, like here and here, and some of these other ones here, I'm going to leave the moles because that's quite nice and natural. If we want to remove these other ones, we just go to the erase function under essentials. Now we can minimize our brush size to 10. I think that's the sweet spot for me. And then it's simply a case of just spotting out those defects in the skin, just quickly going over them. Doesn't take any time whatsoever. I mean, this is taking me longer than it should do normally, but once you've selected those defects in the skin, you literally click erase, and Luminar Neo will process where you've selected these defects to be erased from, and it will look at it and it will clone the skin, and it 100% delivers every single time. So in my retouching and my beauty, I like to leave the skin quite natural, so that's why I'm leaving texture in the skin. I hope you found this video useful. As I said, there is a 10% discount in the description below. Get Luminar Neo in your workflow. I tell you, it will speed things up. This same image would have taken me probably about an hour to retouch to this standard in Photoshop. Let me know your experience of Luminar Neo if you use it for beauty retouching, and I will see you in the next video. I'm going to be making more videos about Luminar Neo, so stay tuned and look out for the playlist. See you in the next video.